Now what we'll do, we can practice the same thing. I'm going to keep the screen in front of you. Think about any verb of your choice and you have to practice just saying it fast, intense practice about how you can say all these different forms of politeness. Okay? Hopefully it is, think about it. I'm going to give you some time so at least, you are prepared. We can increase the complexity of the sentences. Okay, so instead of just like what we are saying to pad, we can add some nouns to it, like to kitab pad. Okay, to kitab, tum kitab padho. Okay, so you can add nouns, you can even put adjectives to the to the noun as well. Okay, so I put together a table. I want all of you to silently, intensely practice it. So I'm going to share my screen, and all you have to do, because that way everyone is getting sort of comfortable, right? So on the top, it's going to take you some time. On the top, you will see sort of the pronouns tu, tum, a, and a. It also tells you about the 4 different forms. Basically, just say the stem as it is, and then put o, ea, and iega. So for all these verbs, you have to just practice speaking all of these. Okay, this is just like your a way to intensely remember it. And so I want all of you to start from here, bol, bolo, boliye, boliye, and start repeating it. Just say it to yourself loudly, because you are saying it to yourself, you can say it loudly, right? I mean, so start. I'm going to give everyone a couple of minutes to do that. So things do not change. You will simply say tu kaam kar, tu kitab de, okay, tu mithai le, okay, or cake le, or ice cream le, or tu pani pi. Okay, things do not change. It works exactly same way as your regular verbs. All you have done is just use the base stem of the verb. Okay, same thing, it's you take the tum, you still have the o at the end basically. Okay, karo, it changes slightly here. You see that, like dena becomes, you put o into that. So but it's not two separate, two letter, it's simply do. Okay, so it's karo, do, lo, and po. In the imperative sentences, when you're giving instructions, commands, or request, when you want to make a negative sentence, you don't use nahi or na, you use mat. So really these are changing into mat. So same sentences that we did, if you were to practice it in negative, mat ja, mat jao, mat jaiye, or mat jaiyega. So we've done the 4th form of imperatives. Okay, JD saying, which is a new topic, but JD saying is, if you want someone to do something in the near future, okay, without defining it, you can just say it in the infinitive form. For example, okay, if I want to tell someone to do something in near future, what is the infinitive form here? Khelna. So you can just use this as it is. Even though it means to play, but depending on how you're conveying it, kal khelna, okay, play tomorrow. It's not to play, it's play tomorrow. It's like do this thing activity. Like aaj guest aa rahe hain, kal khelna. Like the guests are coming, play tomorrow. It's an instruction that I'm giving, but because I'm telling someone to do it in the near future, okay, I'm just giving them this instruction in the infinitive. So even though it's infinitive, it's a request to someone to do this tomorrow. Like kal khana banana, make the food tomorrow. Okay, so that's what he was trying to highlight. You guys to read this. There are new words here. So mehman is guest. Okay, what is this? Bed. Pehenna is to wear. Kapde is, as you know, clothes. The jadu is a broomstick. So instead of that, पहले जरा vacuum करो. You can simply say vacuum करो, but it's jadu is like the traditional broom that you use. So jadu लगाना is like to clean up, to clean the floor basically. पहले जरा झाड़ू लगाओ जमीन पर. जमीन पर is on the floor. Jadu lagana is like to clean the floor with the broomstick. Wonderful. So I do encourage all of you to figure out a buddy to help you out. Do this role play activity. It has a lot of imperatives. They may be in a certain form like karo, pehno. So be it. At least you will get comfortable with it.